Today, I'm so excited because I'm in a Squishy-Dares. Well, I'm not kind of excited. I'm sorry. So the first Squishy-Dare is from Kawaii Toy Collector. She said, cut your favorite squishy. I already did that before, but I'll do it. Where is it? It's my Millie the Whale. It's really hard right now. I took off the horn, I ripped off her hand, and I cut this part. So I just need to find my scissors. And guys, I don't know where my scissors are, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my scissors. Chop chop. Now I need to cut it. Wow. 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 Okay. This was my favorite one. Why is there slime on this? There's slime on my scissors. No, this is so sad. Oh my, it's cutting. Oh my. Oh, it cut, guys. Here is the piece. Okay, the next dare is to sit on your favorite squishy. It's in my hand. I'll do that for the rest of the video. The next dare is to put different type of clay, hard clay, into Play-Doh. Oh wow, that's easy. Okay. I have Play-Doh right here. If you guys saw, I did this video of, sorry, it's my butt. This video of my slime package, but this was just some Play-Doh that I threw in, so I'm adding some blue clay. Oh, wow. This is hard. Oh wow. And then I'll just take all of my pieces and I will put them away. Inside, sorry, not away. Are you guys still recording? Yeah. Maybe later I'll do some ASMR with my Play-Doh. I just make a little hole. Oh, it feels gross. Why did I do this? I should have just skipped that there, but I didn't. Whatever. This is gonna be like really better. Guys, I'm gonna go outside later. I just wanna go see how cold it is. It looks burning hot out. Oh wow. Such a big wow. It's really hot outside. Okay guys, so now I'm done the slime. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what video I should do next. Bye.